Friends, one of the most stressful parts of traveling today is losing internet access when you suddenly need it most. And honestly, most people only realize how important mobile data is after something goes wrong during a trip. Your flight changes, airport Wi-Fi stops working, or your roaming connection suddenly disappears. My name is Daniel, and today we are looking at HolaFly, an international eSIM service designed to make staying connected while traveling much simpler. Instead of buying physical SIM cards or paying expensive roaming fees, you can activate mobile data digitally before the trip even starts. In this video, I'll show you how HolaFly works in practice, how the iPhone setup process looks, and why the new always-on backup connection benefit is especially useful for travelers. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Folks, let's quickly break down what HolaFly actually is. It's an international eSIM service designed for travelers who want mobile internet access without dealing with physical SIM cards or expensive roaming fees. Instead of buying local SIM cards after landing, you can activate mobile data digitally before the trip even starts. The platform offers regional and destination-based data plans that work directly through your phone's eSIM functionality. So once the setup is complete, your device automatically connects to supported mobile networks while traveling abroad. Mates, what makes HolaFly especially practical is how simple the workflow feels. You choose the destination, select the travel duration, install the eSIM, and your mobile connection is ready almost immediately. And recently, HolaFly introduced the always-on benefit, which adds a backup mobile connection layer for situations when staying connected suddenly becomes extremely important. Guys, before we look at the backup connection benefit, it's worth mentioning that HolaFly's core offering is unlimited mobile data across a wide range of destinations. The always-on benefit builds on top of that by providing an additional safety layer whenever unexpected situations happen during a trip. Always-on gives you 1 GB of backup mobile data that automatically renews every 30 days for every HolaFly eSIM user. The best part is that it works completely automatically in the background once your eSIM is installed. There's no separate activation process, no manual setup, and no additional steps required after the initial installation. Mates, the benefit currently works across more than 150 destinations, giving you emergency mobile data whenever unexpected travel situations happen. And this is really where HolaFly starts feeling less like a simple eSIM provider and more like a travel safety layer built around connectivity. The tool shows real travel situations. Your flight gets delayed for hours. You get stuck during a long airport transfer. In those moments, Always On keeps you connected without searching for Wi-Fi. Friends, that's the main value. When plans change, basic internet access becomes important fast. If you arrive without an active eSIM plan, you can even use the backup connection itself to quickly purchase another mobile plan directly from your phone. So instead of completely losing connectivity, you still have enough mobile data available to fix the situation immediately. Folks, 1 GB might not sound huge at first, but in practice it's enough to stay connected during important travel situations when you suddenly need internet access, especially for navigation, basic communication, and short-term travel tasks. That amount of backup data can honestly make a much bigger difference than people expect. And that's really the important distinction here. This isn't designed as a replacement for your normal unlimited mobile plan. It's designed as a built-in emergency layer that quietly stays active in the background until you actually need it. Now let's actually configure a HolaFly eSIM ourselves. First, we select the destination region directly from the website. In this example, we're traveling to Europe, so we'll choose the Europe destination package for this setup walkthrough. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. But importantly, any HolaFly eSIM you get already includes the always-on benefit automatically. So regardless of which package you choose, the backup connection system will still be available in supported destinations. Mates, now we can configure the trip itself by selecting the number of travel days, together with the number of eSIMs we want to purchase. This part is very flexible because you can adjust everything depending on the length of the trip or how many devices need connectivity. After that, we move into checkout, review the final pricing, choose the payment method, and complete the purchase process directly on the website. Don't forget to apply my code DanielDan for 5% off on any eSIM purchase and 10% off on HolaFly plan's global subscription for the first 12 months. Once the purchase is finished, HolaFly automatically sends you an email with instructions and redirects us to the mobile app workflow. We open the App Store, download the iPhone application, and immediately gain access to the eSIM management dashboard. Inside the app, we can manage our eSIMs and browse available plans. The interface itself is very straightforward, so it's easy to quickly understand which plans are active and which ones are still waiting for installation. Folks, now we open the purchase section, where the newly purchased eSIM appears with the status pending to install. From there, the installation process becomes very simple and guided step by step. We press install, follow the built-in installation tips if needed, and continue activation through the standard iPhone mobile settings. HolaFly basically walks you through the setup process automatically, so you don't really need advanced technical knowledge to configure the eSIM correctly. After a few steps, the eSIM is installed successfully. At that point, the phone is ready to use mobile data through the travel eSIM directly inside the destination. All you have to do when you arrive is activate the eSIM by selecting it for your mobile data and turning on data roaming. There's also an alternative installation method using a QR code. We can manually scan the QR code, activate the eSIM from the phone settings, choose the preferred connection mode, and finish the setup process that way instead. Mates, and once everything is enabled, the HolaFly eSIM is fully ready to use during travel, while the always-on backup connection continues working automatically in the background whenever it's needed. Friends, after testing the full workflow, I think the biggest advantage of HolaFly is how much simpler it makes staying connected during travel. Instead of dealing with physical SIM cards or expensive roaming, the setup process feels much faster and more flexible. What also makes the platform stand out is the combination of unlimited mobile data and the always-on benefit. Unlimited data covers your everyday connectivity needs while traveling, while the backup connection helps when unexpected situations suddenly interrupt your plans. Folks, I also like how simple the installation process stays, even for people using eSIMs for the first time. Between the website setup, mobile app, and QR activation options, the workflow feels very beginner-friendly. I personally think HolaFly is a genuinely practical option for travelers who want a simpler way to stay connected abroad. But whether you want to use it or not is completely your decision. Hopefully, this walkthrough gave you a clear idea of how the platform works in real travel situations. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. That's where all the coupons and special offers are. If you want to try HolaFly, you can use my code DanielDan for 5% off on any eSIM and 10% off on HolaFly plan subscriptions for the first 12 months. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.